Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. Again, today we're not in the workshop. We're in our family room. And I just wanted to make this video to show you a product that I bought, and I bought it with my own money, and I'm really impressed with it. It's a vacuum sealer that you can seal your unused filament in for long-term storage. And the way, I'll show you how it works. It's really neat and it's really simple. So let me turn the camera on and I'll show you how it works. You get some bags to store your filament in. They're vacuum bags. You get some desiccant packets to put in the bag with your filament. You get a little pump. You get a recharging cable. It just uses a cell phone charger to charge it. And you get some itty bitty instructions. So the way this works, it's really simple. You get a bag. Get a bag and you open it up. You take your filament, put it in the bag. Put that in the bag. Get a desiccant bag. Stick a desiccant bag in there and seal the bag. They include this little thing to put on there. It's like a clip. And what you do is you put that on there and you pull it across and it makes sure the bag is sealed. Yeah, the bag is sealed. So then you just take the pump. There's a little circle there that shows you where the pump goes. You put the pump on it and let it do its thing. Takes a little bit for it to get air out of it. Once it starts getting it out, it goes pretty quick. There's drawing all the air out of it. When all the air's out of it, it kind of changes tones. And it quits making noise like it's sucking air out. You turn the pump off. You just rub around that inlet seal to make sure it's sealed. And that thing is sealed and all the air is out of it. Looks just like it came from the factory. Then to open it, all you do is open where you seal the seal. You just pull it open like a Ziploc bag. And that's all there is to it. Well, there it is. That thing is sealed really well. I'll put the link down in the description on how to order that. It's not that expensive. I think it's, I'm not sure, but I think it's right around 20 bucks. But it really seals it good. And with the desiccant in there, it's going to keep your filament dry. So like I said, I'll include the information down below. I'm Paul. This is my messy workshop. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe or give me a thumbs up or both. You know the drill. Everybody asks for it. And until next time, happy 3D printing, happy lasering, happy CNC. Bye now.